Hi there, students. I had a question from Akshert, alias Guarenda, who says, okay, what's the difference between here and there? But in here, in there, up here, up there, right here, right there, over here, down there, down here, along there, along here. Okay, what's the difference between these? At the end of the day, probably almost nothing. Yeah, there and here. Let's see. I think there, theoretically, is further than here. But in reality, I think maybe there's one here and there's one there. But there's one there, and there's one here, and there's one here. So, technically here should be nearer than there. Up there, up here, down there. Let's see, the up and down, it doesn't mean up, and it doesn't mean down. It means further along, more distant. Let's see, I was walking down the road. I was walking up the road, but the road was completely flat. Okay, that's the problem. Up has this idea of along, yeah? Continuing in that direction. And normally the phrase is here and there. You're pointing, you're saying it's in that direction, in that way. So continue a bit in that direction. Up there, up here. You could refer to up here, but you could refer to up here as well. Yeah? Up here, there's one. And then down here, let's see, down and up mean further along. Along here, along there. Continue in this direction. Over here, over there. In that place, in this place. The over and the doesn't mean anything. Along there, yeah, just there and here. Now you also included in here and in there. So let's see, I think the in implies there's some sort of frame around it. There's something around it, but that can be incredibly general. Yeah? Inside that place. So in here, yeah, is within something. But there and here, yeah. So in here we have, in there we have, inside a volume. Yeah, that's all the in says. Okay, so here and there, all of these words, along there, up there, down there, over there, right there. I think right there means exactly there. Right here is giving a little bit more definition. Right in here, right in there. Yeah, right over there, right along there. Right over there. Yeah, down there. Yeah, down here a bit. Okay, English in this is very difficult, and I think effectively they're just about all the same. Yeah, I think the in within some sort of, within a room, within a bush, within a tree, within a city, within a mind. Yeah, there's something in here. Yeah, there's something in there. Okay, and then I think the right, maybe it's saying right there, more exactly. So there, right there, just over there a bit, over here a bit. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So, woof, there, here, in there, right there.